right? Hold on.
What's good, y'all? Yeah, so today we about to be unboxing stuff for my paintball gun and for my BB gun. I got 4 packages. I'm not sure what I really ordered, but we about to see right now. Let me show you all the packages. Hopefully I'll show you my address bag so you feel me. But look, these are the packages right there. Feel me? But let's open it up, man. We got my nice little ring. Hey, before the video starts, if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button if you're watching this right now. Hit that like button. Ready? On the count of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit that like button, man. Hey, see, you a real one if you liked it before I even had to tell you. But yeah, you know, we got the unboxing knife right there. So let's get right. Yeah, y'all let me know if y'all want me to start filming my second channel videos with my camera, because I use my phone for my second channel because it takes longer to edit, like off the camera, stuff like that, because I have to send it to my MacBook and all of that. So, you know, if you want videos quick, you know, back to back, then gotta do it off my phone so it can be nice and quick. Record, upload, that's it. But not really, I still edit though, but because, you know, I have to add the intro and everything. What is this big old box? About to find out. Hold on. It's a weird position. I'm about to just... Bro, they added so much tape, bro. They added so much tape. Hold on, y'all. Put this on the ground, because I can't even dang open it. The box is kind of big, too, so I don't know what it is. What the heck is this? Paintballs. Why is it so heavy? How much did I get? How much did I get? Hold on, let me put this down. That joint heavy. Oh, I got 2 packs. I got 2 big old packs. Oh. I got 2 big old... Yo, these look like they hurt. Is it? Oh, 500. So I got 1,000 paintballs. So I got 2 packs, man. God dang. Oh, these are nice. I like these. Yeah, spin the bottle with paintball gun part 2. Y'all let me know if y'all want it, man. Hey, if y'all didn't watch it, go check it out on my main channel. My main channels will be in the description just in case you're new. All right, put that aside. 3 more packages to go. Okay, I know what this is. So yeah, I just spin the bottle with BB gun video, and I told y'all every time I shot, the BB would like go up. And y'all told me because the BBs were too light, you know, because I had cheap BBs. So I finally got the more expensive BBs, the .20. You know, the heavier ones. So they're the .20s. So, you know, got the good BBs in here, man. Yo, what's up with these people giving me, like, making it so hard to open? Like, I know they try to be safe and stuff, but like, dang, so hard to open these stuff. Okay. See, y'all, we got the 20 gram BBs now, the 0.20. 5,000. We got 5,000 in here. Yes, sir. Now we chilling. So I'm going to use these for all my Glocks. But look, this is the only problem. I bought this for no reason. Hold up, y'all. I bought this for no reason. 10,000 BBs, but these are .12. So I don't know what I'm going to use these for. I'm just going to use these, man. I'm going to buy another one of these just in case. Nah, this will last me a little while. I ain't going to lie. But that full auto and that ATC go crazy, though. So, you know, BBs might run out quick. Alright, we got 2 more packages. Okay, 2 more packages. Let's open this up. Right here. Try my best not to. I think I know what this is, but I'm going to just let y'all find out by yourself. Yup. Everybody told me to get this. Well, a couple people. Boom. We got the better tank for the paintball gun, y'all. So this is for the paintball gun. Hold it, so. Oh, yeah, see, y'all? This is heavy. What is this again? 20? Yeah, 20 ounce. Y'all told me to get this instead of the other CO2 stuff. And basically, I got 2 of these. So, they put my address on both sides. I don't know, I feel like blurring it out and stuff like that. You know, I'm trying to order. But let me show you the other box. Here's the other box. Kind of squished up. But let me open it real quick. Open it for you guys. For the what time? Yeah, I'm finally fixing my sleeping schedule. Because right now, yeah, I've been up the whole day. Like, from the whole nighttime to now. I only took like an hour nap. So now I'm tired. So I stood up all day. Well, all night, all day. So now it's like 11, I think. So, no, it's like 12. So I finally get to go to sleep early. Fix my sleeping schedule. Oh, this one's different. Oh, it came inside a little red thing. I got it from the same place. How come in different packaging? Ooh, pretty sure I got it from the same place. Oh, is this glass? Imagine I just go boom and it go everywhere. Is this glass? I don't know. But just in case y'all want to see my paintball gun. Here it is right here. We got this paintball gun with this little stuff. So now we're going to have this on the back. And you guys told me this is around 2,000 shots. I take like 2,000 shots with this. 2,000, think about that. I only have 1,000 paintballs and the ones in here. But hey, so that's going to last me more. And then I got the other one. So basically that's 4,000 shots. But I ain't even gonna shoot. I might even go shoot the paintball gun like crazy. So it's gonna last me a little while. But yeah, we finally got this. Everybody told me to get the heavier BBs, the better ones. Everyone told me to get the 20 ounce. And see, I listen to your advice, man. Y'all be trying to help me instead of the experts that be in my day and call themselves up. Oh, it's so cringy. You're doing everything wrong. Oh, you did this wrong. Like, how about you, instead of you complaining that I did something wrong, how about you teach me and you tell me what to do right instead of being, oh, this kid doesn't know nothing about paintball guns. How about you help me and teach me? That's better than just trying to, dang, I don't even know. But y'all get what I'm trying to say. So the people that helped me and told me what's better, appreciate y'all. Got 500 BB, 500 paintballs in there and 500 in there. These are nice. These are midnight. It's called midnight or something. Are these a difference? They feel so, bro, they feel harder. Oh, yeah. So are these different from the cheap ones that came with mine? These feel so hard, like compared to those. So like the other one I can squeeze it. Oh, let me not pop it. But the other one I can squeeze it a little bit. This feels like a rock. That's bad. I'm actually putting pressure squeezing it. It might pop, but I'm literally squeezing it and it's so hard. That's bad, bro. Now I'm definitely scared to get hit with that paintball gun. But yeah, basically that's the end of the video. That's everything I got right there. Tomorrow I'm going to be uploading probably after tomorrow, I'm going to upload the Glock 45 unboxing. Yes, I got another Glock 45, you feel me? So now we got the Glock ATC, Glock 17, Glock 17, Glock 18C, Glock 45, and a Glock 19X. So we got 4 Glocks, man. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe. Sorry if I didn't have that too much energy in this video. See, I can't even speak right now. But sorry if I didn't have too much energy in this video. Y'all know I'll be getting lit, but I'm tired right now. I told y'all I'm late about to go to sleep once I upload this. Hey, but I'm out, y'all. Peace.